Alright guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you the #1 website in the world for high ticket commissions. One click can make you an incredible amount of money. So stick around, you're going to want to see this. We'll be right back here in just a moment and we'll get started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. As I said before, in this intro here, we're going to show you the #1 affiliate marketing website in the world that pays high ticket commissions. And the best thing about it is it's all free. It doesn't cost anything to sign up, and it works anywhere you're at in the world. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, or for that matter, you could probably even do it on your phone. Okay? Alrighty, so my name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com. And if this is your first time to my videos or my channel, or you've been here before and you have not yet signed up or subscribed to my channel, please reach down there right now below and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, okay? Alright, also if you're new to the video here to my channel, what we do here is we do affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos, and how-to videos, general value videos, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video as well. Okay? Alrighty, let's go ahead and jump right in on this and get started. Anxious to show you this site. One click. All it takes is one click and you can generate a commission of $90,000, up to $90,000. Alright? The website I'm talking about where you can sign up at is called Wealth Partners, or by Regal Assets. Regal Assets Wealth Partners. This is where you join to be an affiliate with this. You can either join as an affiliate or as a joint venture partner with other companies. If you have other companies, you can sign up companies to this and get a commission off of what they sell of their products through this website, RA Wealth Associates. So what it says here is, welcome to RA Wealth Partners, where great investment products and high referral commissions meet. RA Wealth Partners is Regal Assets' official website, network, and JV portal for financial professionals and marketers alike. Whether you want to promote Regal Asset offers to your audience and earn healthy commissions, or you want a joint venture, JV, with Regal Assets and benefit from selling your financial products through our proven system. RA Wealth Partners experts will guide you every step of the way to maximize your chances of success. Alright, so what we're interested in though is the affiliate marketing side of this right now. So you can sign up as an affiliate partner here, and it says this is ideal for financial advisors, affiliate marketers, and other professionals who want to promote our products and earn a competitive commission for every qualified lead and sale they generate. So even if somebody just fills in the slot for their email address and password, or fills out the page, you even get a commission for that. I think it's like $30 or something like that. And then if they buy a product or invest their money with Regal, depending on how much they invest, it could be up to $90,000 just for one click. Amazing stuff. It says easily converting investment products, exclusive offers not found elsewhere, high commissions, custom dashboard with traffic and lead statistics, free mentor program access, and library of resources and creatives for marketing tools. Okay? And also, by the way, if you want to come to this website, I'll have the link down there in the description for you, right at the top there. All you got to do is just click on it and it'll bring you right over to this website right here. And you can, if you want to sign up, you can certainly do that. And like I said, it doesn't cost any money or anything like that. It's all free. Okay? Anywhere in the world. Alright, and they've some of the Regal Assets has been featured on quite a few of these popular places here. Forbes magazine with Chase Bank, Smart Money and Market Research, or Market Watch and Seeking Alpha, excuse me, and Reuters. And their mission is to become a premier destination for alternative assets in the U.S. and worldwide. Now, this not only can you, this is not a stock investing website. This is a gold or precious metals, gold, platinum, palladium, silver, these types of things, and other metals, and also in cryptocurrency. As we know, cryptocurrency is starting to become more and more popular in the world, as it is much easier to transport money over the internet through cryptocurrency, and it's a lot safer. Okay, and it's become very popular. All right, so and diversify their portfolios and invest in non-traditional asset classes. For the past decade, Regal Assets has been very successful providing some of these unique investments to investors and retirement account holders. So if you have somebody that has an IRA or a 401k or something like that through their company or their job, and then they want to turn it into invest it into gold or cryptocurrency, they can do it right here on this website. Okay, Regal Assets website, not the affiliate site here, but on Regal Assets site. And then it says investments that are usually reserved for the elite, HNW, UNHW individuals are now going mainstream thanks to Regal Assets and its Regal Asset Wealth Partners program. So they say here, why would you want to join as an affiliate on this website? Well, they have a hungry audience with government spending out of control, trillions in debt, and paper money backed by nothing. The world economic outlook is as bleak as ever. Let's take a look at and see what the national debt of the United States is right now. If you come over in your browser, you can go to U.S. debt. I'm spelling that right. I'll be in good shape here. U.S. debt clock.org. It's been a long time since I've been here, but I believe this is the correct site. We'll see here. Yeah. Give it a moment to load here. And this is actual live. I don't know if you've ever been to this website before or not, but this is actual as it's happening, live numbers going on here. As you can see, the numbers are moving. So here's the U.S. national debt right here. Look at this. Now see, I haven't been on this website in a while. The last time I was here, the U.S. national debt was at, I believe it was at 14 trillion, I think, something like that. And now you see it's still rolling and climbing up here. It's at $22 trillion. I don't see how, actually, this country, now I'm just talking about the U.S. in general, this country, I don't see how it can stay in business. I mean, usually when a business gets so far in debt, what happens to them? They go out of business. Pretty quick, actually. How this country can stay in debt, I don't know, other than because the Federal Reserve just keeps printing more and more paper. Worthless paper. So it makes sense today to transform your money into gold. Primarily, gold is very stable, and or now cryptocurrency, because the cryptocurrency market is going up and up and up. So you want to invest, most people will want to invest in something that's secure, right? Their money is secure. Gold is probably one of those, or anything. Palladium actually is a very strong metal too to invest in. All right, now, and you see down here, well, this is the national debt. Actually, I'm wrong. This last time I looked here, it was at 11 trillion. That's been a while back, maybe about a year or so. Look at it now. It's doubled. It's 22 trillion. Here is the U.S. total debt down here. You see where the mouse pointer is here. That's U.S. total debt. That's 73. How many? I'm trying to look. I don't know if I can count this or not. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, $73 trillion. That's the total debt. That's not the one you hear about on TV. The one that you hear about on TV is usually the national debt. But the real one is the total debt of the United States. And there's lots of other factors, and you can see everything. You come to this website, you can see it all. I mean, they literally have it all here. You can see everything that's going on with this country right here, live, right before your eyes, as it's counting. All right, but nevertheless, that's why people would want to invest in gold or crypto. It says people are looking to alternative assets to protect their retirement from another meltdown like we saw in 2008. Remember the market crash in 2008 where lots of people lost a lot of money and so on and so forth. Well, that I can guarantee you that that's going to happen again, more than likely. And the other reason is huge commissions. We offer the industry's highest payouts by far, including pay per lead, pay per call, and rev share for the life of the customer. We have brand partners earning over $100,000 per month and dozens more earning $10,000 to $50,000 per month. The reason is a variety of tools to succeed as an affiliate. As an affiliate, you will get access to a cutting-edge dashboard and several tracking tools to help you keep track of all traffic and leads. Through your dashboards, you can also get access to excuse me, various creatives and landing pages, and enroll in our free mentor program. If you could have a mentor even help you out here, they have mentors, people that are already earning these high numbers are willing to help new affiliates. Okay, just one moment. Starting to get a little dry in the throat there. Excuse me. Now, you get access to creatives and landing mentor, like I said, a mentor that will help guide you to success with this. And who are our affiliates? Our affiliate partners come from various walks of life. The program has been designed for anyone that has the ability to attract potential investors to our offers. Most of our affiliates fall in one of these categories, either online marketers, financial planners and advisors, hedge fund managers, sales experts, wealth managers, and offline marketers too. You can do this offline and with the brick and mortar as well too. All right, and then affiliate success stories, as you see here. When it comes to earning potential for affiliates, the sky is the limit. We don't put any cap on earnings, and our results speak for themselves. See some of our recent affiliate partners' successful earnings below, and you see here these are actual affiliates. In fact, some of these are mentors. I noticed this guy here, RA95. He is a mentor here that you can work with him, and he'll help guide you to success in this if you want to become an affiliate here and sell these products. And as you can see that this is some serious money these guys are making. He said you get paid on both sales and leads. So verified leads, $100 up to $100 per verified email lead or per call. So that's pretty easy. All you got to do, you get $100 for just having somebody fill out a capture page, email and address, phone number, that type of thing. And also on sales you get 3%, up to 3% of total investment amount. Average sale is about $65,000, which will give you almost $2,000 here in commission. And you get second tier, additional 1 to 2% on all sales referred by a brand partner that you sign up, or that could also be an affiliate that signs up underneath you as well. All right, here's the total business referred. They've been in business, I think, since 2009. Regal Assets has $308 million here that the business has been referred to them, and the commissions that they've paid out is $10 million here, in almost $11 million. You see that's some pretty rocking money right there. That's some pretty rocking stuff there. Here's an example right here. You can see here's an example of a sales that resulted in a $90,000 commission. This is what I was telling you about. One click, one sale, $90,000. This is an actual check here. This person invested $3 million in gold or cryptocurrency. It doesn't say, but it's one of those two, because this site does not deal with stocks or any kind of mutual funds or anything like that to do with the stock market. This is all precious metals and cryptocurrency. $3 million invested will get you a $90,000 commission. That's one click, one sale, and there you go. $90,000. That's the highest commissioned affiliate marketing commission website in the world. Right there, no doubt about it. You can come here and join as an affiliate. Like I said, it's all free, and they have their joint venture program, and it says why join as a JV partner. If other businesses you were to sign up another, like for example someone else that wanted to invest money through you, through your affiliate, not only will they become your partner if they decide they want to sell their products on this website, but you'll get a benefit from that as well. An extra 1 to 2%, I think it said up here, was it something like that? Yeah, to 2%, 1 to 2% on all sales. Okay, and it says in 2019 we are launching our new JV partner program, so that's new to this, which is designed for alternative investment companies and professionals that want to sell their investment products through their ecosystem. And then it tells why join as an affiliate or a JV partner, joint venture partner. Tells you a little bit about that here and who qualifies and so on and so forth. Here's some prominent people, famous people. Dennis Miller, I believe he's a comedian. He's endorsed Regal Assets. Laura Ingraham, I think she's on, what is it, Fox News or something like that. She's endorsed it. And Lars Larson, I've heard of him. I'm not real sure what he is involved in. Or what he's famous for, but he endorses it as well. Regal Assets. You see down here some of the things that they partner up with the #1 rated company in the industry. Throughout the past decade, Regal Assets grew to become the top rated company in the alternative investment industry. And you can see their reviews. They've got other 1,302 positive reviews, 118,000 likes on Facebook, 38,000 on Twitter. They're rated number 20 in the U.S. by Inc. 500 magazine. Got an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and a AAA rating with the BCA, or the BCA, which I'm not quite sure what that is. Something Commissions Association, something like that. I'm not real sure. I'd have to look that up, but definitely you can look that up. So yeah, if you want to join this site, you certainly want to come here and sign up to be an affiliate. The link will be down there in the video at the top of my description there. Just reach down there and click the link, and you can come over here and sign up with me and be an affiliate with me, and we'll rock this thing together. Okay? Alrighty, guys, that's what I had for you today. I wanted to show you this awesome affiliate marketing website. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell. And give me a thumbs up if you would too, if you like this video. And also you want to check out my #1 affiliate marketing business, which is also high ticket, not near as high as this though. But you can get anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 in sales on that. All right, reach down there below, hit where it says mentorwithkev.com in the description down below, and you can read that paragraph above it and see what you get for checking that out. Okay. Alrighty, guys, I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. Alright, you guys take care and have a great day. Okay, bye bye now.